Graduation Day because we want the learners to remember it or mark it in their calendars for the years to come. Graduation is great blessing for us. It signifies and the end of one phase of one's educational journey and the beginning of one another challenging phase to one's quest. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome with a merry round of applause to the candidates for the completion of batch 2025-2026 on their professional montage. Axel, Rain, and Antipas. J. Skyler F. Bonde. Emmanuel Joseph G. Cardino.
Hindi na bago.
Leonzo Caden J. Galicia. Dylan Caleb B. Guerrero. Christian Levy G. Herbosa. Liam Earl B. Hermosa.
Dumating pala.
Joshua Benedict M. Joshua Benedict M. Javier. Glenn Mateos P. Jaime.
Slow mo.
Matt Isaac C. Basiona.
Bakit slow mo si Kuya Glenn?
Yeah.
Lorenzo Wilfred V. Perez. Claudio Theodore B. Kiran.